There we are. So here we are, just outside of Evansville, Indiana. I'm here on a nice little two-way tower. I don't exactly know the name of this area, but the tower says I'm just above the 150-foot level. If that's true or not, have to look see for yourself. This radio right here goes up to this parabolic dish. It's not working quite right, so check back in with you. We'll see how everything's going. So it would appear the radio wasn't bad at all. It was the cable running up to our radio. Not a big surprise, but anyway, at this point, to say the least. So here I am, trip 2. I've got a brand new dual polarity, and we just ran a new cable up to it. We're really hoping it's going to work. Really nice two-way tower here. We're just outside of Evansville, Indiana. This here shoots all the way to New Haven, which is just on the Illinois side of the Wabash River. Pretty big. I have climbed the other end of this. It's a bit of a menace, but oh well. Just waiting. I don't know what that is over there, but there's a couple smokestacks. Overcast. Still hanging out here. Unfortunately, these are two-way antennas next to me, and I'm pretty sure they're whatever, getting a headache, radiation. As it is. Over there's a couple more smokestacks. I don't know if you can see those. Yes. Probably some more radio equipment for this old boy. I guess I didn't realize the top of their trucks were white until today.
We're powered up. Stand by.
Standing by. Woohoo! Obviously we won't have anything else because there's nothing at the other end.
Roger that. Let me see if I can talk to this thing here.
10-4. Good news. It's got Ethernet, which means my job is partly done. The rest of it entails securing this little cable all the way down to the bottom. A lot of crap in the way. Got a little stress loop here. A little green loop here. This is the old cable. We're going to take it out of the way here.
To it, so if I tie you up.
Cool. All weatherproof, and then that's it for me. So I'm going to be climbing down up this beautiful two-way tower. See y'all later. This is a plus.